Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the concept of physics. होता क्या है फिजिक्स? अभी हमने ये सब फिजिक्स साइंस में पढ़े हैं, ग्रेड 9 में पढ़ते आ रहे हैं, 10th में पढ़ते आए हैं, यही फिजिक्स चलते चलते 11th और 12th तक जाएगा. तो बेसिक हम लोग को समझना है व्हाट इज मीन बाय फिजिक्स. Physics is nothing but the study of the phenomena which is happening around us, which may be a magnetism, which may be a light, which may be a sound, everything comes in physics. So today I am going to give you the introduction about basic things of the physics. So here you can see the definition. Physics is the study of the things around us. It helps us to understand how things move, why things fall down, and how objects interact with each other. So this is the basic definition. So today I am going to share you about the things related to the displacement and distance. So we'll come to the part of distance and displacement here. Did you hear the word about distance and displacement? Both are the different things. Can you differentiate these two things? What is distance and what is displacement? दोनों भी distance ही measure कर रहे हैं. So why these things, the words are different? So if you see the distance and another thing is displacement, in both things one word difference is there. This distance is a scalar quantity and displacement is a vector quantity. What is meant by scalar and what is meant by vector? Okay, so scalar is nothing but when we are talking about the magnitude only. No, it is not concerned about the direction. जब हम लोग कोई मैग्नीट्यूड की बात करते हैं जिसमें डायरेक्शन का कोई कंसर्न नहीं होता है, उसी को बोला जाता है स्केलर क्वांटिटी. व्हाट वी कैन कॉल इट एज स्केलर क्वांटिटी. एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट किसको बोला जाता है? It is a vector quantity. Which quantity it is? It is a vector quantity and it is a scalar quantity. Okay. So scalar quantity में क्या होता है basically? Suppose I am standing here at point O. Okay. If I am walking 5 meter right side at point A and 5 meter backward on left side at point B. So total how much displacement I have covered? Distance, sorry. How much distance I have covered? 10 meter. Because I am counting both the magnitude, 5 meter right and 5 meter left. So 5 plus 5 is 10 meter, which is a distance. But when we are talking about the displacement, okay, so we have to think about only 2 points. First point is called initial point, another point is called final point. Here you can see we have 3 different points. O is one of the point, A is the another point, B is the another point. We have 3 points here. But in displacement only we are talking about the initial point and the final point, which is called end point. Okay. So if any object, any particle is traveling from initial point and ends up at final point, then this is called displacement. And displacement is a shorter. This is the shortest distance and this is the longest distance. So suppose a particle is moving from A particle to B, which is of 5 meter, and the direction is as well given. The particle is moving from A to B, which is called AB bar, which is a vector quantity. So in scalar quantity only we are talking about magnitude. We are not discussing about direction. How the particle is moving from A to O to A or A to O, then O to B. So here the direction is changing. But in displacement only one direction is there, that is from point A to point B. So in scalar and displacement, 2 things are important. In scalar, we are talking about magnitude and no direction. Direction is not important. But here we are talking about magnitude as well as direction. We'll make it more simpler. Okay, we'll go to the next page. We'll make it more simpler. Suppose this is your school. This is your bus stand and this is your home. If you are moving from home to bus stand, then bus stand to school. So here you can see you are changing the direction. So suppose this is point A, this is point B and this is point C. And suppose home to bus stand is 2 meter and bus stand to the school is 5 meter. So total how many distance you are covering? 7 meter. So this is called distance. This is called distance. If I want to make it displacement, so we'll take a shorter displacement, that is home to directly school, which is a shorter distance, which is called displacement. Okay, and this is called distance. So here A, B, C. If I am moving from A to B, then B to C, which is called distance. And if I am moving directly A to C, which is called displacement. Yes or no? Did you understood? Yes or no? Distance is a longer part and displacement is a shorter part. So here you can see it is an initial point and this is a final point. So we are moving from initial and going to the final, which is called displacement. And if we are changing the direction, that is called distance. So this is a simple part. So we have more concept related to the velocity and speed. So we'll discuss it on later. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.